Hello and welcome to another video walk around. Myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2009 Toyota Matrix XR. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback in classic silver metallic. And under the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, and you'll be riding on top of 15-inch steel wheels. Some of your features include a 6-speaker audio system with CD and auxiliary input, and power mirrors and windows for all your convenience needs. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Matrix has to offer. So helping us into our Matrix, we've got our key fob. It's got the lock and unlock mechanism, plus it also has our alarm button. So we can unlock once for the driver's side door and twice for all four. We'll hop inside. You can see we do have our window buttons, our lock and unlock, plus our window lock as well. In case we have people in the back seat who like to throw things out of the window, we have some cargo space underneath as well. So we'll grab a seat and start her up. There we go. So kilometers wise, we have 66,257 kilometers on here. Lots of life left for an 09. So lots of driving left. We got that mirror adjuster on the left hand side, and we have cruise control just on the right hand side as well. So we look at our entertainment system, nice and easy. Our audio system works and functions exactly the way it's supposed to. We have our CD player, and then we also have our auxiliary as well that we can plug in just at the bottom. I'll show you in just a second. So this is our climate system, all operated via dials. We can turn that on and off. Everything we might need to do there. And then we got our clock just right behind our gear shift. Gear shift can also go into sport mode if we need a little bit extra control. And then just below that gear shift, we have a 12-volt DC outlet, and then, like I said, our auxiliary plug-in just right there. We've got our emergency brake and some space right here to pop whatever we might need in, and we can remove and reconfigure this as many ways as we need. And then inside our center console, lots of space inside there as well. And we also have the second upper as well. A little further down, we can open up our glove box. You can see lots of space inside there to toss whatever we might need to be tossing inside there. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So we'll hop into the Matrix in just a second here. We'll look at the back. So we do have our stubby antenna at the top, and then we have some nice XR badging right along there. We'll open right up. So we have this little tray, keep anything from spilling. We also have our child seats as well. And then we have these hard back fabric seats, so we're not going to be ripping anything up if we need to pop anything in there. Lots of space. We have those two D-rings as well, helping us tie anything down if we need so. So we'll close up. Let's take a last look at our 2009 Toyota Matrix XR. Some other features include your 60/40 splitting rear seat with plastic protective on the back, and your weather protecting cargo tray to make sure that any kind of cargo you need will fit no matter what. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Is coming in, take for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, in the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.